Hello everyone, let's learn Bahasa Melayu by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 13. I'm going to explain about positive and comparative. Chapter 13 or Bab 13. Adjectives, positive and comparative. If a person or thing is compared with another as being alike or equal in some respect, the word sama means the same, is used before the adjective. For examples, sama tinggi means of the same height, sama besar of the same size, sama panjang of the same length, sama panjang as long as also means as long as, sama cantik as beautiful as. Tinggi means tall or high, besar big, large or huge, panjang long, cantik beautiful. Examples: awak dan saya sama tinggi, or awak sama tinggi dengan saya means you and I are of the same height. Buah kelapa dan bola sama besar, or buah kelapa sama besar dengan bola. A coconut and a ball are of the same size. Pensel itu dan pensel ini sama panjang, or pensel itu sama panjang dengan pensel ini. That pencil, as long as this pencil. Comparative adjective. When an adjective is used comparatively, the word lebih or lagi is placed before the adjective, followed by daripada means than, as in the following examples. Menghantar pesanan melalui email lebih laju daripada mengepost surat. Sending messages through the email is faster than posting letter. Menghantar from the base word hantar, send. Pesanan, base word is pesan, message. Melalui, through. Lebih laju, more fast. Daripada, than. Daripada also means from, but in comparative it means than. Perak lebih murah daripada emas. Silver is cheaper than gold. Pen awak lebih baik daripada pen saya. Your pen is better than my pen. Kayu lebih ringan daripada besi. Wood is lighter than iron. This is a poster example from Tesco. The promotion, it states lebih jimat means more safe. Jimat means save. Save money, save electricity and so on. Percuma, percuma means free. The word lagi may be used in the place of lebih in the above sentence. Lagi also means more. Email dan post, laju lagi email. Email and post, email is faster. Perak dengan emas, murah lagi perak. Silver and gold. Silver is cheaper. Pen awak dengan pen saya, baik lagi pen awak. Your pen and my pen. Your pen is better. Baik, good. Kayu dengan besi, ringan lagi kayu. Wood and iron. Wood is lighter. Dengan means with, but in comparative, if you put dengan between these two nouns, it means and. Conversation. Ramli. Mana lebih mahal, emas atau besi? Mana from yang mana. You can skip yang. Means, mana means where, but in this conversation it means which. Which is more expensive, gold or iron? James, tentulah emas, tapi besi lebih berguna. Certainly or of course, it's gold. But iron is more useful. Berguna, guna, use. Berguna, useful. Ramli, mengapa besi lebih berguna? Why iron is more useful? James, besi keras. Daripada besi, kita boleh buat kapal, kereta, motosikal, basikal dan barang-barang lain. Iron is hard. From iron, we can make ship, cars, motorcycles, bicycles and other things. Ramli, bolehkah kita buat kapal terbang? Or, boleh ke kita buat kapal terbang? Can we make aeroplanes? Kapal terbang is aeroplane. Kapal means ship. Terbang means fly. Kapal terbang, aeroplane. So, can we make aeroplanes? Kapal terbang tak boleh. Sebab besi berat. Kapal terbang mesti ringan. We cannot make aeroplane. Tak boleh, tidak boleh. Cannot. We cannot make aeroplanes. Sebab, because iron is heavy. Kapal terbang mesti ringan. Aeroplane must be light. Apakah barang-barang kecil kita boleh buat daripada besi? Can our small thing can be made from iron? James, kita boleh buat lembing, pedang, pisau dan kuali. We can make lembing, spear, pedang, sword, pisau, knife dan kuali and pen or wok. Cannot, tapi. Tapi is short form of tetapi. It's used in conversation only. Yes, in conversation we say tapi, not tetapi. Words to remember. Nouns. Barang, thing. Bulan, moon. Bulan also means month. Emas, gold. Kayu, wood. Besi, iron. Getah, rubber. Perak, silver. Kapal terbang, aeroplane. Adjectives. Bagus, good. Baik, good or fine. Bagus, we refer to the quality of something. Baik, more than a condition like our health. Apa khabar? How are you? Khabar baik. I'm fine, thank you. Berat, heavy. Berguna, useful. Canggih, sophisticated. Ringan, light. Tua, old. Keras, hard. Kuat, strong. Laju, fast. Pandai means smart or clever. Pantai, beach. Rendah, short or low. Jahat, bad or evil. Is opposite of baik. Unique, unique. Buat, make or do. Boleh, can or possible. Daripada, from. Then for comparative. Mengapa, why. But we always short this mengapa become kenapa. especially in conversation. Kenapa? Tentulah, certainly. Lain, other. Sebab, because. Informal, kerana. Exercise or latihan. Nombor 1. My laptop computer is new. Komputer riba saya baharu. 2. The word processor is useful. Pemproses kata itu berguna. 3. The design of that condominium is unique. Reka bentuk kondominium itu unik. 4. This video cassette recorder VCR is expensive but durable. Perakam video kaset ini mahal tetapi tahan lama. Tahan lama means longer lasting. 5. The Petronas Twin Towers are of the same height. This is Petronas Twin Tower. Menara berkembar Kuala Lumpur or menara berkembar Petronas sama tinggi, same height. 6. A computer is more expensive than a typewriter. Komputer lebih mahal daripada mesin type. 7. The perdana car is bigger than kancil car. Kereta perdana lebih besar daripada kereta kancil. 8. The movie Titanic is more popular than the movie Twister. Filem Titanic lebih terkenal daripada filem Twister. 9. The light rail transport or LRT is faster than the train. Transit aliran ringan lebih laju daripada keretapi. 10. A comedy is funnier than a horror movie. Filem komedi lebih lucu daripada filem seram. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.